Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the Mainstays digital alarm clock. I got this from Walmart for the amazing price of $247. So that's amazing that you can get this for just $247. Okay, so it is powered, like over here it's electric powered, but you can also use batteries as backup. So you cannot operate it with just the batteries, but the batteries will keep it from losing the time should there be a power outage or should you have to unplug it from the wall and move it somewhere else. So let's get in here and see what we got. Let's move that out of the way. And this is it right here. So it does come with instructions, although I don't think we're gonna need them. And the main reason why I'm making this review is not because of the clock itself, the alarm clock, but the price is just amazing. I don't think I've ever paid that little money for something. So this is the optional battery backup, and here's everything else. So before we power it up, I want to look around. So you do plug it into the wall directly. It's not a USB thing. And you do have two options for the alarm, loud and soft. You can turn it on and off. And of course, you can set the alarm, set the time, minute and hour, and that's it. It doesn't do anything else. So let's power it up. Let me dim the lights. And here we go. So the first thing I want to note is that in person it looks a lot better than it does on camera. Because on camera you see these yellow dots right there. Those are not there in person. So it looks red and then all these yellow dots in between the pixels, if I can call it that, the segments. Those yellow dots are not there. That's completely made up by the camera. Let's see if we can get rid of that by removing the plastic. Maybe that'll help. No, it does not. But anyway, it's unfortunate that I can't get a good realistic shot of this. Okay, so let's set the time. To set the time, you go back here and you're gonna have to press and hold time and then use these buttons to change the time. So there's gonna be, if you press time once, this is gonna go solid like that. Now if you press and hold, nothing's gonna appear to happen, but you will be on time setting mode. For example, you press and hold here, that's the time button, and then you're able to change the time. So it says PM, and then if you push the minute button over here, it'll change the minute. So there's no flashing, so that's pretty cool. And if you want to do the alarm, all you have to do is press alarm. The alarm is set to 6 a.m. I don't know why, but anyway, let's change it. So let's press either one of these. So you press and hold and then press this at the same time. And that's how that works. So it's very simple. It does have snooze over here. Oh, that looks better on camera. Press and hold. So it keeps dimming. Press and hold. Oh, it went back too bright. So let's set the time to, let's set the alarm to, let's see, 2:11. Oops. I wish I hadn't done that. Okay, so let's wait. Oh, we have to turn on the alarm. So it should sound at 2:11. So this is soft and this is loud. So let's press here. So that's snooze, so you're gonna see that it's flashing over there. I know you can't see it. Let me zoom in. So it's flashing, but if you want to get rid of that altogether, you just go to the back and press alarm, and that'll get rid of the flashing. So it means that it's not gonna sound again until 2:11 p.m. the following day. So that's very interesting. So I think we've demonstrated everything: time, alarm, the loud and soft. I don't think I left anything out. Oh, yes I did. I almost forgot. Let's do the batteries. So these are AAA. Let me turn on the lights. So let's open the compartment. And it takes only 2. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so let's cut the power and see what happens. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so power is gone. So let's power it up again. Let's connect it and see if it'll remember the time and the alarm. So let me connect it again. And there we go. So it does know the time, and let's see the alarm. If I can find that. And there we go, that's the alarm. So this is fantastic, beyond anything I've ever seen before for that price range. It's just amazing. I can't find any flaws. On the bottom you'll see these stoppers, these rubber things. So it is it does have a FCC information back there. And there's not much else to say. It's just perfect for less than $3. I know I sound like I sell these, but I don't. I don't work for whoever makes these. So that is interesting. I like the fact that it has an alarm indicator that says alarm. It says AL. And do a close-up right there. Ooh, I hate that yellow stuff. That's not really there. But when you dim it, right there, that's more realistic. But in person, right now it looks all gray. In person it's actually... Let me change the lighting. Maybe that'll... No, it's not helping. I don't know what's happening. There we go. That's better. This is more realistic. It's actually darker in real life. But anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.